What makes Samsung vacuum cleaner special? Listen to this pleasant sound. It will change your thoughts about noise, bringing Samsung's outstanding technology to everyday life. The four-stage process that reduces noise from the brush to the motor offers an amazingly low noise level compared to other sounds of everyday life. Samsung's low noise technology, which will capture your heart, has achieved the world's lowest noise level of 67 dBA. Super silent design based on the similar technology as silencers for handguns. Endless efforts to achieve low noise and advanced technologies that make it happen. These are the secrets to creating this pleasant sound. The amazing performance of the multi-chamber system is coming to you. The multi-chamber system has a unique structure that allows for outstanding vacuuming power. The more you use them, Samsung vacuum cleaners will present you with an amazing difference in vacuuming power. From a technology that captures your heart in everyday life, the multi-chamber system and the dustbin. Samsung vacuum cleaners' world-class technologies are always leading the market. The twin chamber system makes your choice even more special. Experience the outstanding performance of the twin chamber system. The twin chamber system is made up of a centrifugal force of a cyclone and the chamber system. The outstanding vacuuming power of the twin chamber system remains constant over time. The difference of perfection. The twin chamber system. Samsung's unique three-way brush makes your everyday life shine. The three-way flow increases vacuuming power for keeping every corner of your house clean. The innovative front shutter doesn't miss a single microscopic piece of dust. And the easy maneuver makes it a snap to clean hard-to-reach spots. The outstanding performance of the hygienic system is perfect, just like you expected. Samsung vacuum cleaners resolve your worries for your family's health. The perfect hygienic system features a HEPA filter and silver nanotechnology. Easier to use, offering a more powerful performance. Samsung vacuum cleaners filter technology removes microscopic dust and various bacteria in your everyday life. And with its tight packing design, Samsung's technologies are making every part of your life healthy and pleasant. Samsung vacuum cleaners feature a wide range of functions with easy operation. The ergonomically designed, convenient, and easy to assemble all-in-one accessory shows you the true value of technology as you use it, making every corner of your house clean and pleasant with brushes for different spots and purposes. The special values of Samsung vacuum cleaners will capture your heart. Featuring an extensive lineup for your taste, lifestyle, and your family's health. Everything you want in a vacuum cleaner. And the technology to make it happen. Experience a special lifestyle with Samsung vacuum cleaners. Samsung vacuum cleaners.